Hello, my wonderful students, and welcome back to another episode with the Pillow Professor. Tonight, we're embarking on a fascinating journey inside one of the most astonishing creations in the universe, the human body. Together, we're going to discover how the body works, from the beating of your heart to the secrets hiding deep in your cells. You'll learn just how much your body is working for you every second of every day, keeping you alive, moving and thinking. And trust me, the human body is far more magical and mysterious than you might imagine. Before we dive in, I'd love for you to help our little classroom grow. So please remember to like this video, subscribe to the Pillow Professor, and turn on notifications so you never miss another cozy lesson. And let me know in the comments if you discover something tonight that you never knew before. So, settle in, fluff up your pillows, and let's begin our journey through your very own inner universe. Let's start with the thing that holds it all together, your skeleton. You might not think about your bones very often, but without them, you'd be a shapeless puddle on the floor. Right now you have around 206 bones in your body, all perfectly crafted to fit together like a puzzle. These bones are incredibly strong, but also light enough so you're not dragging yourself around like a robot. Some bones are tiny, like the little stirrup-shaped bone in your ear, while others, like your thigh bone, are massive and strong enough to hold your entire body weight. But bones aren't just stiff pieces of rock inside you. They're alive. Inside each bone is marrow, a soft tissue that's constantly making new blood cells. Your skeleton is also busy remodeling itself all the time, breaking down old bone tissue and building new bone in its place. It's like having a construction crew working 24 hours a day without you ever noticing. So the next time you stretch your arms or stand up tall, remember that your skeleton is the quiet hero keeping you upright and protecting all your precious organs. Now, what's wrapped around those bones to help you move, dance, run, or even just blink? Your muscles. Your body has over 600 muscles, and they're working non-stop even when you're asleep. There are big muscles like the ones in your thighs that help you run and jump, and tiny ones like the little muscles controlling your eyes when you read or look around the room. The most amazing part is that muscles work in pairs. When one muscle contracts, the opposite muscle relaxes. That's how your limbs bend and straighten so smoothly, and your strongest muscle isn't necessarily the one you'd think. Pound for pound, your tongue is one of the most powerful muscles in your body, tirelessly helping you speak, eat, and taste. And then there's your heart, a muscle unlike any other. It never stops working from the moment you're born until your very last breath. It pumps blood through miles of blood vessels, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every part of you. It's a silent drummer, keeping the rhythm of your life going, minute after minute, day after day. So, whether you're giving someone a hug, running a marathon, or just breathing gently as you drift off to sleep, your muscles are the secret engines making it all happen. Next, let's head up to the control room, your brain. Weighing about 3 pounds, it might seem small, but it's more powerful than any computer ever built. Inside your skull are billions of nerve cells called neurons. They're constantly sending tiny electrical signals to one another in a dazzling, silent symphony. These signals help you think, feel emotions, remember the lyrics to your favorite song, or figure out what you're going to have for breakfast. Your brain is divided into different regions, each with its own special job. Some parts help you see and understand what's around you. Others help you speak, move your fingers, or remember your childhood birthday parties. Deep inside your brain are areas that handle emotions like fear, happiness, or love, giving color and meaning to every moment of your life. Even when you're asleep, your brain doesn't shut down. It's busy sorting and storing memories, solving problems, and sometimes spinning up those strange dreams that leave you wondering what they mean. It's incredible to think that every thought, every memory, and every feeling you've ever had is all inside that amazing organ nestled safely inside your skull. Now let's dive a little deeper into the heart and blood, the very system that keeps you alive second after second. Your heart is about the size of your fist, but pumps about 5 litres of blood through your body every minute. That means in just one day, your heart moves around 7,000 litres of blood, enough to fill a small swimming pool. Your blood travels through a highway of blood vessels stretching over 60,000 miles long. That's long enough to circle the Earth more than twice. In this highway, arteries carry fresh, oxygen-rich blood away from your heart to your organs and muscles. Veins bring blood back, carrying waste products your body needs to get rid of. Blood itself is a marvel. It carries oxygen from your lungs to your cells, delivers nutrients from the food you eat, and fights off invaders like bacteria and viruses. It even helps heal wounds by clotting and forming scabs. So, while you're sitting quietly, relaxing, or falling asleep, your heart and blood are working tirelessly behind the scenes, keeping every part of you nourished and protected. Now let's talk about the amazing process of breathing. Your lungs are like 2 soft, spongy balloons nestled in your chest. Every time you breathe in, your lungs expand and fill with fresh air, pulling oxygen into tiny air sacs called alveoli. Here, oxygen slips into your blood while carbon dioxide, a waste gas, moves out to be exhaled. On average, you breathe about 20,000 times every day. That's a lot of work for something we usually do without even thinking. Your lungs keep your brain, muscles, and every cell in your body supplied with oxygen so they can keep functioning smoothly. Your diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle beneath your lungs, helps control your breath, moving up and down to draw air in and push it out. It's so finely tuned that even when you sigh or yawn, it's your body's way of adjusting your breathing to keep everything in perfect balance. So the next time you take a deep breath, remember that your lungs are quietly fueling your life, one gentle breath at a time. Now, let's travel into the journey of your food. Every bite you take goes on a fascinating adventure through your digestive system. It starts in your mouth, where your teeth and saliva begin to break food into smaller pieces. Your tongue pushes it back into your throat, and down it goes through the esophagus into your stomach. In the stomach, powerful acids and enzymes churn and break the food down into a liquid soup. From there, it travels into the small intestine, a long, winding tube where nutrients are absorbed into your blood. The walls of the intestine are lined with millions of tiny finger-like structures called villi that help soak up every bit of goodness from your food. Finally, what's left over passes into the large intestine, where water is absorbed and waste is prepared to leave the body. It's a remarkable process that turns your meals into the energy that powers your muscles, your brain, and everything else you do. So the next time you enjoy your favorite snack, remember that your body has an entire kitchen crew working around the clock to turn it into fuel for life. Your body has a silent protector called the immune system. You can't see it, but it's always there, standing guard. Your immune system is like a secret army of cells, organs, and proteins that protect you from bacteria, viruses, and other invaders. White blood cells patrol your body, seeking out anything suspicious. When they find something harmful, they sound the alarm and launch a counterattack. Sometimes your body even remembers the invaders it's fought off before, making sure you're stronger and faster the next time you face the same threat. That's why vaccines are so powerful. They help your immune system prepare for battles without you having to get sick first. So even while you're sleeping peacefully tonight, your immune system is hard at work, keeping you safe from countless threats you'll never even know were there. Now, let's talk about how your brain communicates with the rest of your body. That's where the nervous system comes in, a vast network of electrical pathways carrying messages faster than you can blink. Your nervous system is split into 2 parts, the central nervous system, made up of your brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, which branches out like an enormous tree into every corner of your body. When you touch something hot, nerves in your skin instantly send a signal through your spinal cord up to your brain, which quickly tells your muscles to pull your hand away. That entire process happens in less time than it takes to snap your fingers. Your nerves also carry signals that allow you to feel sensations like pain, heat, cold, and pressure. They're the reason you know when your foot's asleep or when a gentle breeze tickles your face. Thanks to this incredible network, your body and brain are in constant conversation, working together to help you move, react, and experience the world. Let's keep exploring how you connect with the world through your 5 senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Your eyes are masterpieces, capturing light and turning it into images your brain can understand. Inside your eyes, the retina is filled with special cells called rods and cones that detect light and color. That's how you can enjoy a beautiful sunset or read your favorite book. Your ears pick up sound waves and transform them into signals your brain can recognize as music, voices, or laughter. Deep inside your ear, tiny bones vibrate with each sound, sending messages along the auditory nerve to your brain. Your sense of smell helps you detect thousands of different scents. Tiny receptors in your nose capture smell molecules and send signals to your brain, linking scents to memories or emotions. Taste buds on your tongue let you savor sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami flavors. Every bite you take is a complex experience involving smell, taste, and even texture. And finally, your skin is filled with millions of nerve endings that help you feel the world around you. The softness of a blanket, the warmth of a cup of tea, or the cool breeze on your face. All together, your senses weave a rich tapestry of experiences that shape your memories, your emotions, and how you understand the world. While your nervous system sends lightning-fast signals, your body has another way of communicating: the endocrine system. This network of glands releases hormones, powerful chemicals that travel through your blood to deliver messages to organs and tissues. Your endocrine system controls growth, metabolism, energy levels, mood, and even how your body responds to stress. The pituitary gland, often called the master gland, sits at the base of your brain and directs other glands like a tiny conductor leading an orchestra. The thyroid gland helps regulate how fast your body uses energy. Your adrenal glands release adrenaline during moments of stress, giving you the power to react quickly in emergencies. And your pancreas helps keep your blood sugar levels steady, making sure your body has enough fuel to function. Hormones work quietly and steadily behind the scenes, keeping your body balanced and ready for whatever comes your way. They're your body's secret messengers, ensuring everything runs smoothly, from waking up in the morning to falling asleep at night. Now, let's talk about the largest organ in your body, your skin. It covers you from head to toe, weighing around 6 to 9 pounds in adults. And it's more than just something that holds everything in. Your skin protects you from germs, sunlight, and dehydration. It helps keep your body temperature steady by sweating when you're hot and tightening your blood vessels when you're cold. Your skin also stores fat and water and produces vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, which helps keep your bones strong. Beneath the surface, your skin is made up of several layers. The outer layer, the epidermis, constantly sheds dead skin cells and replaces them with new ones. Deeper layers contain collagen and elastin, giving your skin its strength and flexibility. Your skin also helps you feel the world, with millions of nerve endings detecting pressure, pain, heat, and cold. It's your protective suit, your sensory interface, and your personal thermostat all rolled into one. So the next time you feel the sun on your face or the softness of a cozy blanket, remember that your skin is doing far more than you might imagine. Let's explore the system responsible for ensuring the continuation of our species, the reproductive system. In both men and women, the reproductive system is made up of specialized organs and cells responsible for creating new life. In women, the ovaries produce eggs and release hormones that regulate the menstrual cycle and prepare the body for pregnancy. The uterus is where a baby grows and develops, protected and nourished for 9 months. In men, the testes produce sperm and hormones that help develop male characteristics and support reproductive health. Sperm travels through a series of tubes to mix with fluids that help protect and nourish them on their journey. Beyond biology, the reproductive system is deeply connected to emotions, relationships, and identity. It's a part of what makes us human, influencing not only how we grow and develop, but how we connect with others. Understanding how this system works helps us appreciate the incredible journey of life from a single cell to the complex individuals we all become. How does your body keep itself clean on the inside? Well, it's thanks to what we call the excretory system. Every day your cells create waste products just from living and working. Your excretory system is like a diligent cleaning crew, making sure these wastes don't build up and cause harm. The kidneys are the stars of this show, filtering your blood to remove toxins and extra water, turning it into urine. Each kidney contains about 1 million tiny filters called nephrons, working day and night without you even noticing. After the kidneys finish their job, urine travels through long tubes called ureters down to your bladder, where it's stored until you're ready to let it out. Your bladder is surprisingly stretchy. It can hold about half a litre of liquid before signalling your brain that it's time for a bathroom break. Your skin also helps your body get rid of waste by sweating out salts and excess water. And your lungs expel carbon dioxide every time you breathe out. Altogether, your excretory system is quietly working to keep your internal environment balanced and healthy. So, even while you're resting, your body's housekeeping team is hard at work, making sure everything stays sparkling clean on the inside. Another hidden hero of your body is the lymphatic system, a network that helps keep you healthy in more ways than one. Your lymphatic system is made up of lymph vessels, lymph nodes, and organs like the spleen and thymus. It acts like a drainage system, collecting excess fluid that leaks out of your blood vessels and returning it to your bloodstream, preventing swelling and maintaining fluid balance. But it's not just a drainage network, it's also a crucial part of your immune system. Lymph nodes scattered throughout your body act like security checkpoints, filtering out harmful bacteria, viruses, and other invaders. If you've ever felt swollen lumps in your neck when you're sick, those are your lymph nodes swelling up as they fight off infection. The lymphatic system also helps transport fat from your digestive system into your blood, ensuring your body gets the nutrients it needs. It's a silent guardian, working tirelessly to protect you and keep your body's inner environment stable and clean. There's one more hidden superpower your body has: the incredible sense of balance. Every time you stand up, walk, dance, or even turn your head, a special system deep inside your ears helps you stay steady and upright. This system is called the vestibular system, and it works like a tiny gyroscope tucked away in your inner ear. Inside your inner ear are tiny fluid-filled channels and tiny crystals sitting on delicate hair cells. When you move your head, the fluid shifts, bending the hair cells and sending signals to your brain about which way you're moving. This helps your brain know whether you're tilting, spinning, or standing still. Your eyes and muscles also help keep you balanced by sending extra information to your brain about where you are in space. It's a team effort that happens so quickly you almost never notice it, unless you spin around too fast and feel dizzy. Without your vestibular system, even simple things like walking across the room would feel like trying to stand on a rocking boat. So, the next time you twirl around, balance on one foot, or simply walk without thinking, remember to thank this tiny, hidden system working silently to keep you steady. We've travelled through so many organs and systems, but now let's zoom in to the smallest part of all: The cell, your entire body, your skin, muscles, organs, and bones, is built from trillions of tiny living units called cells. Each cell is like a miniature factory, carrying out jobs essential for life. Inside, you'll find a bustling world of structures with specialized tasks. The nucleus is like the control center, holding your DNA, the instructions for building you. The mitochondria are the powerhouses, creating energy for the cell to work. Cells communicate with each other using chemical signals, ensuring the whole body functions as a team. When you grow, cells divide and multiply. When you get injured, cells work to repair the damage. Different cells have different shapes and purposes. Blood cells travel through your veins, muscle cells contract to help you move, nerve cells send signals across vast distances, and skin cells form protective layers. It's astonishing to think that such tiny, invisible units come together to create a living, thinking, feeling human being, you. Let's go even deeper, inside the very heart of every cell, to discover DNA, the magical molecule that makes you who you are. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and it's shaped like a twisted ladder called a double helix. Within this delicate spiral lies the complete set of instructions for building and running your body. Everything from the color of your eyes, the shape of your nose, to how your body digests food is written in your DNA code. Your DNA is organized into structures called chromosomes. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, one set from your mother and one from your father. This unique mix is why you might have your father's laugh but your mother's eyes. Each gene on your DNA carries instructions for making proteins, which perform nearly every job in your body. Some genes determine visible traits, while others control things deep inside you, like how your cells communicate or repair damage. It's fascinating to realize that a simple molecule, so small it's invisible to the naked eye, contains the blueprint for your entire being, a code that connects you to your family, your ancestors, and even all life on Earth. Finally, as the Pillow Professor, I couldn't possibly leave out one of the most important parts of your health: sleep. Sleep isn't just time when your body shuts off. It's an incredibly active period when your brain and body carry out crucial repairs and maintenance. While you're snoozing, your brain processes and organizes memories, sorts out emotions, and clears away waste products that build up during the day. Your body repairs muscles, grows tissue, and releases hormones that help you grow and stay healthy. Your immune system also ramps up its defenses while you rest, keeping you better protected from illness. Sleep happens in cycles, shifting between light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep when dreams often occur. Each stage serves a different purpose, from restoring physical health to supporting your mind and emotions. Most adults need around 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to feel their best. Missing out on sleep can leave you feeling foggy, cranky, and less able to focus or fight off infections. So, as you drift off tonight, remember that sleep isn't wasted time. It's your body's night shift, working hard to keep you healthy, balanced, and ready for another day. And there we have it, my wonderful students, a journey through the incredible human body, from the skeleton that holds you tall to the tiny spirals of DNA that make you unique. We've explored muscles that let you dance, a heart that beats with tireless devotion, a brain filled with thoughts and memories, and even the secret work happening while you sleep. Your body truly is an inner universe, a masterpiece of moving parts, invisible systems, and astonishing secrets, all working in perfect harmony to keep you alive and thriving every single day. I hope tonight's lesson has shown you just how marvelous and miraculous you truly are, inside and out. If you enjoyed this cozy journey, please remember to like this video, subscribe to The Pillow Professor, and turn on those notifications so you never miss another adventure into science, history, or the fascinating world around and within us. And don't forget to leave me a comment telling me which part of the human body amazed you the most tonight. Until next time, sleep well, stay curious, and remember, you're all brilliant students in the grand classroom of the universe. Good night.